Are you looking to get more educated and grow on Twitch's platform? You're in luck. Twitch just released their Creator Camp, which helps all streamers out there of all sizes expand, refine, and grow their stream. And I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you for my stream support video where I bring you the best tips and tricks, and I'm gonna show you something really cool today if you're looking to expand your Twitch experience. If this is your first time here and you're trying to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you become part of the notification squad so you know when my videos go live for you. Twitch has always done its best to teach, inform, and educate as many people as it can on its platform on how to actually be a streamer and use its platform. But sadly, Twitch kind of always fell flat on this. If you wanted help, you really only had 4 ways of achieving any help on Twitch. You were basically left with trying to figure it out on your own. If that didn't work, you could always try posting something on the Twitch Reddit thread or searching YouTube. If that didn't work, you could always try asking a streamer and hoping that perhaps maybe they found a solution. If none of those worked, you were left with the almighty reaching out to Twitch support. Good luck with that one. Depending on who or where you asked, you were either getting close to no feedback or help, or perhaps you were most likely getting nothing but sarcastic or toxic comments back. Having issues with your stream key? Too bad! Go search Google and try to get some good luck there. Are you dropping a lot of frames while you stream? Oh man, does that suck? Have you tried unplugging your router? How come no one ever talks when I'm streaming? What am I doing wrong? Hey, perhaps you stink at streaming. Sadly, these were kind of the normal answers you would get from a lot of places depending on who you asked or where you asked. Twitch is more or less trial by fire. Until now. Twitch Creator Camp is basically an all-in-one almanac on how to be a streamer, how to grow your stream, and beyond. It works for everyone out there, and they broke it down into 4 main categories. The first category is learning the basics. This is basically a crash course in Twitch 101, where you learn all the basics of being a streamer, what it takes to be a streamer, what you need, all the gear, things like that, all the way up to the etiquette of how you treat other streamers and the community, and community guidelines, and much more. The second category is the level up category, which is an awesome one, which goes over personal branding, channel analytics, emotes, social media, and looking at extensions. This is a great section to take a look at. Category number 3 is all about connections and engagement, and this goes over forming an audience in a community, goes over safety, which is very important if you're a streamer, also goes over a lot of things that you may not really think about that goes along with Twitch, like taking a break, how to stay connected with other people outside of Twitch's platform, and one of the most important ones, networking with other content creators. Category number 4 is all about rewards, rewards, rewards. That's right, it's gonna go over things on how to earn revenue and income on Twitch's platform. It's gonna cover things like bits and subscriptions. If you're a partner, it's gonna show you the effective way of how to run ads on your channel in stream. And for a lot of you people out there, it's gonna give you the ins and outs about sponsorships when you're working with Twitch. Now, if you've been streaming on Twitch's platform for a while now, you know, the Creator Camp may not be that exciting for you. But the coolest thing about the Creator Camp that they're gonna share is they're actually gonna do live sessions with professional Twitch streamers, Twitch staff, and streaming experts, which is gonna be really awesome for all these people to share their knowledge about tips and tricks, secrets, hacks, hints to help you refine and grow your stream to take it to the next level. Now, if you're interested in these live streams, I will put a link in the description below for the first 2 that they mentioned that they're gonna do. So this way you can set your timer, so this way you'll know when you can watch them. But they haven't notified us on how many they're gonna do in a week, or every 2 weeks, or every month. You know, it's kind of up in the air at the moment, but you can always take a look at the link that I'll put down below, so that way you can always see who's gonna be doing the live sessions and what the live sessions are gonna be about. And I personally think this is the coolest part about this whole Twitch Creator Camp, is all of these people taking time out of their day to help share information with you and me. I love people that try to help others. That's what I try to do here on this channel. I love people that try to give motivation, hints, secrets, tips, tricks, what worked, what didn't work, what you should try, what you shouldn't try. All those fun things can lead to very huge leaps for your growth on Twitch's platform. So I'm excited for these live sessions. Hey, and Twitch staff, if you're out there, hey, streaming expert right here, they'll be more than happy to do a live session for the Twitch Creator Camp. Hopefully you guys get really excited about this creator camp. If you're brand new at streaming, I highly recommend checking it out. Like I said before, I will put a link in the description below, and if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment below and I will do my best to see what I can do to answer it for you. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a nice thumbs up and leave a comment below, and if you struggle with anything, let me know and I'll see what I can do to make a video about it to help you grow. And if you want to keep up with me and all of my activities, make sure you follow me on all of my social medias, and you can even see me paint all of my beautiful creations on twitch.tv/wildforgames. I'm there Monday through Thursday, and sometimes I play games too, so stick around for that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to go above and beyond and help me, make sure to help support me on my Patreon. Take care all. I will see you all in the next stream support video coming up real soon. Peace.